Hello, I'm Diana Johnson from BAT ISA, and we are delighted to sponsor the Manufacturing and FMCG Award and demonstrate our commitment to this important sector of economy during these uncertain times. And the 2020 Rising Star Finalists are, so in no particular order, right? So first, Annalisa Mzidiati, IIT and Fiscal Affairs Manager, SAA, British American Tobacco. 2, Mark Adams, Planning, Procurement and Logistic Manager, Distel. 3, Miguel Caetano, International Customer Marketing Manager, Tiger Brands. 4, Tamsing Hendricks, Brand Manager, Tiger Brands. And 5, Werner Cohen, Cosmetic Channel Head, Revlon South Africa. So congratulations to you 5 and all the best.